Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Cubing. This is Nagesh. This video is just an introduction on how to solve the 4x4 cube using the reduction method. So let's get started. Let's pick the 4x4. So yeah, this is the MoFag G Thunderclap. So yeah, let's solve this using the beginner's method. Let's shuffle it. Now the cube is shuffled. So the method which we'll be using is the reduction method. So in that, basically we'll be getting the centers on all the faces. And remember that the colors opposite to white is yellow, green is blue, and orange is red. So yeah, let's solve the centers here. So now yeah, the centers are done. And now comes the edges. Now all the edges are done. After doing this is nothing but a 3x3 cube. Now the cross is done. I am using the CFOF method. Now the two layers are done. Now comes the parity. Now I got the cross. I oriented the yellow layer, and then comes the permutation part. This is another parity case, and then the last permutation. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Versatile Cubing signing off.